ラーメンの学校はね、もう13年ぐらい前に始めましたかね。海外行った時にその頃のラーメンってひどかったんですよね。美味しくないラーメンが多かったので、海外の人にラーメンを教えて、外国行った時に日本人が食べて美味しいとか、外国の人が本物に近いラーメンを食べれたらいいなっていうのが元にありましたね。My name is Makoto Tada。Tadaと申します。Tada Makotoです。横浜で3店舗ラーメン屋をやってます。1つ目はラーメン鶴一屋といって、家系ラーメンですね。家系スタイルと横浜のスタイルのラーメンをやってます。でラーメン大橋っていうところは無課長の自家製麺機で作って出してます。最後は横浜の駅の地下にある5年食堂で、そこも無課長、比較的そのヘルシーなラーメンを売っております。
So this is a Ramen School based in Yokohama. It's actually in a proper kind of restaurant, as you can kind of see behind me here. These guys kind of working away just because we're about to kind of serve for lunch. So the way they kind of work it here is that it's on the job training. So you could do like a 5-day course, 8-day course, and he will show you like how to make everything from the beginning to the end of making ramen, even like the kind of sides dishes like gyoza, things like that. So eventually the end goal is that you'll be serving your own bowl of ramen to the customers. When I moved here, I wanted to open a restaurant once I moved back to England. I was very hesitant about going to a ramen school because I didn't know anything about it. And then when I reached out to this one with Makoto-san, we met up. This was prior to any classes or anything. It was like introductory, get to know one another. In that stage, Makoto-san was asking me what I wanted to do, what I was aspiring to do, why I was coming to the ramen school, and he catered what I wanted to learn and incorporated that into the lessons that he was going to give me. So like for example, Japanese people now, they're straying away from like the paitans, the creamy soup, and I think more the foreigners, they like the more fatty, creamy tonkotsu, pork bone kind of broth. With that in mind, we learnt more of that kind of side of things. Makoto-san's very healthy, no MSG, that kind of stuff. So it was opposite to what he does, basically. But he was catering his course for me. I think that's probably the most unique part of this ramen school, because they're all going to be similar in terms of you learning how to make ramen. But Makoto-san is an aid for the future. He's happy to help. Even now, I do like encourage him with like texts, and I do call him. I don't know whether he's happy with that all the time, but he does always pick up the phone and call me back. What's up? How can I help? Give him advice. So it's kind of like paying for a friendship.
ラーメンはフレンチのそのコース料理みたいなのじゃなくて、一品で勝負できるから、最低限の人数でみんなが努力して失敗を重ねてるといいものができます。それで一発勝負、一杯美味しければもうそれでいいっていう、全てのコースが入ってるじゃないけど、そういうラーメンのそこがいいところで、だからパイタンがいいとかチンタンがいいとかいろんな種類のラーメンもいいんですけど、どこの店でもいい店行くとそういうのは感じられるのがいいんです。だから細い昔ながらの醤油ラーメンもいいし、豚骨ラーメンも美味しいところ行けば美味しい、すごくそれは感動できるんで、だからもしラーメン屋目指すんだったらとにかくいっぱいラーメン食べてください。いろんなところで。そうすると好きになるし、これは好みだとかこれは違うっていう、学びがいっぱいありますので、それを作ると。自分で試して失敗して試して、で失敗するとそこからなんか新しいメニューが出てきますので、そういうふうにずっとやってるラーメン屋はやっぱりいつも美味しいものをキープして出してるんで。
When I cook at home, I make Japanese food primarily. And Japanese cuisine, they follow a strict set of rules. Like, imagine making sushi, right? You'll take a year learning how to make rice, a year how to fan seaweed on an open fire. Each element takes a very long time, a strict amount of rules and perfecting the minute, like little details. But with ramen, there isn't actually a rule book. Every ramen place you go to is completely different. You could do different things, try different things that no one has actually tried before. And that's the fun part of me learning about this as well. I get to eat ramen all the time, incorporate all that kind of knowledge and try to utilize that in terms of making my own bowl of ramen and being really creative with it.
このスクールは結局みんなスクールで来てるけど、結局みんな友達みたいになってずっと付き合っていくっていう。だから一緒にプロジェクトやったり、ラーメンのイベントをやったりするし、道具とか買って送ってあげたり、日本で買った方がいいものがあるので、ラーメンの今オープンしてる人とか卒業した人はみんな Facebook グループで今やってます。新しいメニューもそんな出してないけどね、今これからどんどん今までの卒業生の人はアップデートするようにしてます。
なんでこの学校が一番いいとかさ、
まあ一番いいかどうかわかんない、こうだ、渋谷のギャル。